I definitely know how to stress your boy out, man. For now on, I'm finna take the God part of my name out and change it to something else, man. Y'all really know how to stress your boy out, man. These black cats been through hell and back and a little more than that. Let's see what I can do, man. Let's get straight into it. First thing first, man, we gotta give these a bath, man. These motherfuckers funky, they stink, a little bit of everything. They been through hell and back. Little dookie on them, little crud on them. My man was cutting grass in these. He hooped in them. He scored a couple touchdowns. He did a little bit of everything in this. So first thing first is a good bath. All around, bottom, inside, all of that. You see how they looking? They looking all soapy and clean. Make sure you get a little dry towel, get all the soap off, and let these dry for a couple hours, man. Then I start rapping, gotta touch a couple mil, gotta go see a crib. Or a house with a lake, and they don't need matter what state. Told my brothers we straight, and them SRTs having race, speeding down the fucking interstate. And all you hear is they can't catch us. Ain't money we next. Hey, after that nice ass cleaning, they look somewhat decent. But remember these black cats, you can see all the fading and everything. So I'm finna prep these up so we can begin painting. I have to paint these, I have to strip these, and I gotta introduce y'all to something. It's called the Ready Strip. It helps you strip your midsole super easy, man. I got this from Home Depot. This is like $7. You might find it online for a little more, man. It's safe on midsoles, man. Not like the other brand. Other brands will fuck your midsoles up. Man, you can put this on your midsoles for about 10 minutes. It's gonna strip them off, I guarantee it, man. Almost every midsole, and it's really safe, man. So I really recommend it for all restores. Also, I forgot to say, this will make your job so much easier. You ain't gotta use all that acetone. Acetone can damage the midsoles very, very, very bad. This won't damage it at all. Literally, it's that safe. So try to avoid acetone as much as possible, man. This will really do the job. This is what I've been using for years, man. It's real cheap and easy. All you gotta do is prep your shoe up, man. It's that easy. Man, let that sit for about 10-15 minutes and just wash it off. It's gonna come off, guaranteed. After I strip the midsoles, man, I gotta start making the shoe look somewhat decent, man. Just a little tip from me, man. Get you a little lighter and burn all the little strings poking out, all the hairs around the shoe, man. Sock liner, just burn it off. It's it makes the job so much easier, man. Some people be using a razor and all that. Use a lighter, I guarantee you get all that stuff off. Now that I got all the little hairs and strings poking out, took care of that, I gotta start working on this suede. In all honesty though, it's nothing you can do about this. Only thing you can really do is touch it up, add a little black to it, and make it less noticeable. That's your best bet for these. He's been through hell, back, but the customer insisted, and it's the only thing I can recommend for him. All I did was get some black, some too thin, 50-50 ratio, man. Touch up all the white and the white outlines. It does look 100% less noticeable, better than what they were, but this is really all I can do for these.
Cute Rolex.
man, the shoe's starting to come to life. It's starting to look like the Black Cats of old 2006, man. They really need to retro this shoe, in my opinion. The shoe was, it got that classic vibe. You can't go wrong with an all-black shoe, but the easy part about to get knocked out, the midsole repaint, man. Normally, a midsole repaint takes about an hour or two, but man, this took about 5 minutes just because it's only black, man. It's super easy, man. Probably 2 coats at best, man. The midsoles are already stripped, ready to go, man. Just repaint these. 5 minutes about each shoe. Then we that's done. We go to the last step, and that's adding the finisher. We almost finished with this shoe, man. All we gotta do is add a high gloss finisher on the Black Cats, man. The jump, man, and the higher part of the midsole, the big chunk part, you're gonna see where I painted at, or add the finisher at. That's where you add the high gloss at. So only them parts, man. And after that, you're done, man. Only the jump, man, and the higher part of the midsole. From what they came from, I'm happy with the results, man. These came a long way. I did everything possible to this shoe, man. If you like the video, man, like and subscribe, leave a comment. I would enjoy that. Next week video, I got something coming up.